I bet you, if you're a fan of Greek yogurt, then this video is for you. Hey yummy, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are making Ghana tea bread with a touch and flavor of yogurt. My name is Yummy Cash, and once again, you're welcome to this channel. To start with, on my working surface or in a bowl, I'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 teaspoons of sugar, which is totally optional, but it gives the bread some sweetness. You know what I mean. And then I'll go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and mix everything with my hand. So when I'm sure everything is well combined, I then add in about 4 teaspoons or 5 teaspoons of my Greek yogurt. Now, using yogurt in your dough or in bread making makes your dough rise very, very quickly. And then it also, makes your bread fluffy, and you get some flavor in it and some moist. Now, when I'm done mixing the yogurt and the flour together, I then add in bits my warm water. You don't want to use hot water in making your bread or adding to your yeast, because it kills the active enzymes in the yeast. So always look out for the water that you're using in making your bread. You understand me? So if you're not subscribed to this channel, and if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and let's be friends. And also don't forget to hit the notification icon so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. When everything is well combined, it is time for kneading, and that is the crucial part. Never make your dough too hard, Always make sure that your dough is soft to touch and knead very well. Now, after some time, I'll go ahead and add in oil. I'm using oil in this recipe, but you can use 2 tablespoons of margarine, room temperature margarine, and then knead your dough till it is well smooth and easy to touch. You know what I mean?